error function to correct that not found. Can you see it? So when it's not available, we'll put not found. You see not found there. So let's do this again. So let's filter out this quantum gate. So the quantum gate. Let's filter Ibrahim for quantum gate. Ibrahim. So the Ibrahim for quantum gate. And filter out another one, Sophia for quantum gate. Alright, let's see if Sophia is for CyberQ. There is one Sophia in CyberQ. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Peter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do advanced filter and function in Excel. How to combine these two powerful functions together to achieve a great result. In today's video, we're going to be making use of this dataset. Our first column has source, second column has lead owner information, we have email address, contact number, so on. So what we plan to do now is that we want to filter based on the source and the lead owner, right? So that is what we're going to do. So we want to do it here. We want to place our source here and our lead owner here, and want to achieve a great filtering in this body. All right. So before we start, let's get out our unique sources and our unique lead owner. So the sources, so this is the sources. So let's say unique, this unique. So these are the unique sources, and this okay, this is a unique. Unique what? Unique lead owner. So these are the unique lead owners. So I want to start this. Okay. So the unique sources and the unique lead owner. So let's do a data validation here. So this is our data validation. Let's select our sources. You can see our sources are here. So and let's do another one here. So we're going to select our lead owners list. So our lead owners, right? So we have lead owners and we have sources. So this is where we're going to put our filter function. So we are filtering. So this is the array. Select everything here, comma. So the next thing we're going to do is create two brackets. As you can see here, that's what we have done. So this will be for the source, and this will be for the lead owner. All right. So let's first work on the source. Let's move to this place. So let's first work. So I told you this will be for the source and this will be for the lead owner. So the source will be here. So the first thing we're going to be doing is when this source is empty, when this cell is empty. So let's focus to work on that. So this equals nothing. It's in brackets. So the next one is we add it to when it has something in it. So when it has something in it, we want to have all this, which is sources, equals what? Equals this. Oh, I hope you understand. You may remove this. So unique when it's equals to nothing, remove this. So when this cell equals to nothing plus when it equals to something. So this one is done. So the next one is we're going to work on the lead owner. So the lead owner, let's put under bracket, which is this. I don't like seeing this one here. When this equals to nothing, it's a bracket plus the other part of it. So this bracket, the whole lead owner equals to what? Equals to this. All right. So that is it. That is it. So also should have a closing here. So before we press enter, let's wrap it into a unique function. Unique function. So it's showing calculation error. Let's see what happens when we do this. Can you see now? So when we have nothing in these two cells, if you have nothing in our criteria, it loads all the data. It loads everything. But when we want to filter, we can filter by either this or this. So let's filter this Falco from the lead owner. So Falco, can you see it brought us all Falco for lead owner? So let's filter CyberQ with it, CyberQ. Can you see? CyberQ. So let's see another one, ATRC. So ATRC is not available, that's why it's showing calculation error. So to correct that, let's use if error function to correct that. Not found. Can you see it? So when it's not available, we put not found. You see not found there. So let's do this again. So let's filter out this quantum gate. So the quantum gate. Let's filter Ibrahim for quantum gate. Ibrahim. So the Ibrahim for quantum gate. And filter out another one, Sophia for quantum gate. Alright, let's see if Sophia is for CyberQ. There is one Sophia in CyberQ. Alright, so guys, that is how to use unique function and filter function together to achieve a great result. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you have to. See you next time.